Anyone can draw cartoons. Take a pen and a paper and draw with me. Let us draw a big circle for a character and a circle and a dot for eyes. A big smile. Let's add legs and a line for a hand and little fingers. Let us add another hand, and he is holding a sign. What does the sign say? It says stop. Who are we stopping? Ooh, who is this squiggly guy? Looks like a virus. He has the same eyes and a nose, but he's scared. We'll add the legs and we will make him surrender. Hands up in the air. Cartoon is ready. Thank you for watching. You just helped someone get free education. I'm on a mission to provide free education through my channel.